Hello and welcome. We are in Italy still, and we are at Lake Garda, and the campsite's just over that way, but this is the area where you can come and swim from, and we're on a jetty, hopefully, and it's nice and strong. So we'll turn you around and show you what we can see. It absolutely poured with rain all yesterday.
Oh, that was heavy rain yesterday.
And
thunder,
lightning, very, very frightening. Scaramouche, can you do the fandango? Anyway, we'll turn you around, and this is the view we get. Our motorhome's just down there, and this is the view we get from the motorhome. Not too rough, I think you can honestly say. Very pretty. All ends up.
Loads of wildlife.
Yeah.
They've gone quiet now, but they would make it.
There is grebe everywhere. I've never seen so many. All these little black dots you can see on the water are grebe.
And we've also seen some little turtles on a log.
Yes, and right 20 yards away we've got a swan nesting on 5 eggs.
And we're hoping in the next few days that we're going to be here, the eggs might hatch. And then
Anyway, this is Lake Garda, and so we're just going to go back and do we're going to do a review on the campsite.
Just have a little look round.
Yeah, and see what it's like. We've had a look round, but it's quite nice. It's not a massive campsite.
No, we did walk to Lidl's yesterday, which was about a 20-30 minute walk.
Yeah.
In the rain.
In the rain, yeah. So, anyway, but we needed provisions, so
yeah,
let's turn you back round again. So all this noise you can hear, the bird chatter, are these crested grebe. There's one there, look. Just swimming away from us. There's a coot on the side there, and a dog. 2 more grebe over there. There are some really big fish in here, isn't there?
Oh, huge fish.
Yeah, we were watching them yesterday. And whether they're catfish or not, I don't know. They're not big.
Absolutely huge, just taking all the flies from the surface.
And anything else that came here. Radio. Okay. This is Camping Tiglio. Tiglio? Yeah.
Tiglio, yes.
Tiglio, even up there, look on the side of the building. So this is reception. We got into trouble yesterday. We parked at the stop sign.
There was nobody here.
A lady came out and said, oh no, you must park here. So I think what you're supposed to do is come in, go all the way around the block and then park up here. And then come in this way and then in, and
yeah, this is reception. Usually we park at reception, but they haven't got any signs saying that's parking for reception.
No, they don't.
But it is parking for reception.
So reception there, which is very nice. People there, very helpful. Yes. You've got a little supermarket, not with massive amount of stuff, but
it's got the basics.
It's got the basics, everything you need.
Bread and milk and accessories.
It's open from 7:30 till 12:30 and then 3:30 to 19:30. So you've got a good chance. There is a pizzeria, a bar, which we've not frequented yet.
No, we haven't. There is bike rental.
Yeah, that's true. Let's have a poke in here and have a look. Oh, we'll have a look at the swimming pool over here.
Can you go through there, go round?
Well, we'll go through, shall we? No? Walking round then.
Well, I didn't want to take these things that we're ready to table.
Oh, right, okay.
Together.
Okay. So, here we go. There's all sorts of bits here. We didn't come around here yesterday. Mr. Farm. Oh. The swimming pool. I suppose we're alright to go through there. Oh, nice pool. There we go. Nice pool. Kiddies pool. Yeah, very nice. Isn't it?
That's lovely.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah. It's open from 9 till 1 and then 2 till 6. No shoes.
No shoes, yeah. Well. So anyway, there's a bar and what have you. Kids play area.
They've amended the opening times on the other one. It says 9 to.
Oh right.
Open till 7 in the evening, not 6 in the evening.
Okay.
Anyway, it's open, but we have a lunchtime when we close.
Yeah. Anyway, they have a lot of tents here, or yeah, I suppose they are. You can rent a tent.
Yeah, these aren't. These are.
These looks like people's normal stuff.
It seems to be a lot of people leave their motorhome or caravan here and just come here all the time.
Yeah.
But to be fair, it's a nice place to come.
It is, yeah. Another kids' bit of a play area and table tennis and all that sort of malarkey. And yeah, lots of spaces to be. Toilet blocks.
Really nice and clean.
Yeah, really, really good clean.
Plenty of room as well.
Yeah, they got laundry at this end and laundry at the other end. It was €4 for a wash and 2 for the dryer.
They've got lots of
yeah, they've got a lot of these
apartments or whatever they are.
apartment little buildings.
There's quite a few of those here.
Yeah. I mean, some of these caravans look like they've been here, I was going to say years, but most probably decades.
Since my father's time.
Yeah. Since he was a young lad. Rent a tent, there you go.
Yeah. There's lots of these rental tents, so they have a proper base.
Yeah. Yeah, they're quite good,
Yeah.
aren't they?
They are.
You want to come here in your car and pull up here and away you go. Spot on, isn't it?
And they're probably an awful lot cheaper than
And
these.
those.
Yes.
But they look quite nice, don't
They
they?
do, yeah, very nice because they've got the view on the balcony as well.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
And then of course you've got brick walls rather than wood.
Yeah.
Might even have air conditioning, I don't know.
Not sure.
Can't see anything, but
No.
don't mean to say there isn't.
No, that's true. So,
Here you've got another little jetty.
yeah. I'll be brave and walk out onto the jetty. Got your boat there. If you go, yeah, we got one. We have not got a boat. It was pretty stormy yesterday, and as you can see, it's churned up a bit of muck. Loads more green everywhere. So yeah, there you go, all the way around again. Maybe slightly better picture. I don't know. Yeah, right, let's go that way. Okay.
That's where the water's been last night.
Pardon?
There's where the water was.
Yeah. God, it did. It was like a proper, wasn't it? Proper tropical storm.
But there wasn't just one.
No, it kept coming and coming and coming and coming. I mean, this is how people set them up, look.
Yeah.
They've even got a pizza thing now, look. In the back. Dead smart. They're like... They look well, they're well looked after, aren't they?
Yes.
Yeah, on this side, it's 3 amp electric, and on this side, it's 6 amp.
Although she did say that most of the park is 6 amp now, so I don't know whether that's
an
old thing that we've read about.
Oh right, okay.
They might have upgraded.
Yeah.
On the front it is slightly more expensive.
Yeah, which you can accept, can't you?
That's one price, then the next one is another price, and then it gets cheaper.
Cheaper and cheaper and cheaper until you're on the road. There is only, so far, we've only seen one other British van, haven't we?
Yes. We've not looked at every single one.
No, but we have looked. And what happens is you come down this road, which is reception and the shop and market and everything, round a roundabout.
You can either go left or right and choose your own pitch.
Yep, find a pitch. They don't tell you where you've got to go. There's the other British van.
And all you do is you go back and let them know where you are.
Well, and that's it. You don't pay anything to start with, do you?
No, you pay when you leave and you get your passport back.
Yeah, which seems to be quite a norm.
It does in Italy, yes.
Yeah. We saw that Frankie driving down the road yesterday, didn't we?
We did, when we were in the rain walking back from Lidl.
Yeah, God, please give us a lift.
But they give you the biggest ever card thing to put in your window to say you're staying here.
Yes.
I've never seen anything so big.
No, you wouldn't lose it.
No.
You wouldn't lose it. Yeah, so what do you think to the campsite so far?
It's good, I like it.
Yeah.
Nice and clean, facilities are good. Facilities are on tap for us pretty much.
Yeah, we're opposite there. So you've got toilet waste round the back, grey waste on the side, and you just need a watering can, because there are no, well, there is one at main reception, motorhome service point,
where you can fill up your motorhome.
Yeah.
Otherwise there's no taps around apart from at the showers and toilets.
Yeah, so there you go. So we're back at the van. There's a few more pitches down that way, which is just the same as these, all the way down. You can see down there. Oh, let's see how Swan is doing today.
Still sat there?
Still sat.
Yeah. Right. The turtles are just going in. Oh, you missed them.
Oh right, I didn't.
You might have got them on camera, they were just going in through there.
Oh, the little ducklings, look.
Oh yeah, that's the ones we saw yesterday, was it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mrs. Swan. Or Mr. Swan.
Yeah, I'm hoping that Dave might have got the turtles on camera. There were just 2 turtles and they slipped into the water because we frightened them.
Oh well, we'll catch them in the water.
Yeah, well they obviously like coming here.
Yeah. Yeah, loads of little, they look like mallard ducklings.
Yeah, but there's
yeah, there are all sorts of things, yeah. Probably like that.
Anyway, we'll leave Mrs. Swan so we don't want to disturb.
No.
There's all our eggies.
Oh, there's her eggs, look. Just give them a quick turn. Five eggs? 6 eggs?
6 eggs, yes. Well, she got half,
And there we go. Anyway.
Oh, just
What?
showing that big ticket in the window.
Oh yeah.
This is the biggest ever camping ticket in the world.
Here we go. Got to put that in the window.
We'll have a look.
Anyway, thanks for watching. So that's our review of Camping Tiglio. We like it. Yeah, it's got a lot going for it, hasn't it?
It has,
and it's on Lake Garda, which is even better. We did try loads of other campsites, and they were all...
They were either full or they would be difficult to get the motorhome in, wouldn't they?
Yeah, because the motorhome's too big.
Yeah.
So anyway, thanks for watching. We'll see you again soon. Say bye, Susie.
Bye, Susie.
Bye.